It is halfway through 2024. It is time to get rid of the phlegm and the coughing. When I tell you I have spent hours online, and I mean hours, looking at different supplements, trying different supplements, I feel like I didn't notice how much I was coughing until someone pointed it out. That's when I finally stumbled upon Vitaae by SANE. Adding a picture of the product up right here so you can see, it really is something that has changed my life and feel like it's given me a lot of my freedom back because I'm not feeling that nervousness or anxiety going into social situations now that I've been overthinking about how much I am coughing. I've recommended to both my parents and my grandparents, so I definitely would recommend checking it out and trying it out.